Hi guys, sorry I haven't posted in ages, but I decided to do a Subway Surfers video. This isn't my first time playing it, but I have just re-downloaded it because I deleted it several times and got it again. So this is like my 5th time re-getting it, which is quite weird, but you know. Just wait for it to load. This will be the tutorial. So basically you're spray painting a wall and then the security guard tries to catch you or something. But I think I would be security guard. Oops. As you can tell, I've not played this in ages. So I'm terrible at this. This is like my new high school. So we'll try one more time. See how far I get. Ooh, that was random. Since that was such a short goal, I'm going to try again. Yeah. So, while I'm doing this, I want to tell you guys about my new favorite channel, Top Study 7. Just please subscribe to him because his videos are really good and he's not getting enough subscribers, though he deserves a lot more. So yeah, please subscribe. They're even weirder than me. Oops, I'm dead. So yeah, as I was saying, please subscribe to Top 07. His videos are really good and he deserves way more subscribers than he has. So yeah. Thanks for watching. This is a short video and I haven't made a video in absolutely ages and I'm sorry about that, but I've had a lot of schoolwork. No homework actually, but just schoolwork. And then I was caught up with other apps. And yeah, I was hanging out with friends and things, so I haven't been able to post because I've had no time. But anyway, thanks for watching. And bye!